Hi, everyone. Welcome to Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to download Crunchyroll app on your Android. Watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us to get the Crunchyroll app on your Android device. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that you are connected to a strong internet, since the downloading speed of the application will depend entirely upon it. Once you have it, go to the Play Store and tap it open. Main homepage of Play Store would look like this. Go to the search box at the top and type in Crunchyroll in the text box. Soon after you do that, make your search and you'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result. Tap the install button right next to the app. In order to begin the downloading process, wait until the application gets downloaded. And once it does, you'll be able to see the Open button popping up right next to it. Tap on Open to launch the app open. That is how you can easily get the Crunchyroll app on your Android device, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.